To start the tethering process, enter your photographer number. Next, we have the option to upload a CSV online or locally. For this example, we will use an online CSV, which will open a separate window. Next, select the age group and team name that you will be photographing. As you can see, the roster populates on the left-hand side. First, we will start by taking the slate picture. This is optional. Once you take the photo, it will show on the right panel for you to accept or retake. Since we have Auto Select Next Player turned on, Ryan Bennett's information will automatically populate. Finally, take his picture and accept. Let's take a photo of the next player, but say we need a retake. Just click Retake and take another photo. It's as simple as that. As you can see, the next player does not have a jersey number recorded. You have to enter one before taking the photo. You also have the ability to have multiple poses for each player. To do this, go to the tethering settings and add a look. Now, enter the player's jersey number and take the first photo. After you click Accept, we can see that it is waiting for a second photo of this player. That's how you tether with the GIFT. Let us know if you have any questions.